Hello, my name's Warren Spiden, and I'm here to talk to you about why did I join Toastmasters and the infographics I'm creating for a campaign for Toastmasters. I joined Toastmasters quite a number of years ago now in Queensland, Australia, and I joined because I realised I was very unconfident and had no idea about what was out there in the world that was offering to me. So I decided to join this public speaking group and see what it had to offer. A number of years later, I moved over to Auckland, New Zealand, and I've joined another club, found more new people, and everything's great. So I've developed myself in many more ways than I ever thought was possible, and I'm very fortunate for that. Very confident in change lots as well. I'd like to also talk about the campaign that I've helped design. Confidence is communication, or communication is confidence, whichever way you'd like to use it. So basically, this is about everyone in the district coming together through live public events at their Toastmasters clubs, and they will give speeches to Pathways projects. So we promote what we do best is public speaking, and we therefore get more members to join the club. So I'll just share a campaign infographic that I've designed. And by the way, this has changed my perspective on visual design skills and showed me what I'm really capable of doing, and indeed every one of you is as well. Here we go. Here's an infographic I designed. Basically, you've got a bit here where you talk about hosting an event. So you register your event online and then go and do your event. You give speeches. Those would be to Pathways, and you might decide a beach is a fantastic place to do it, or a cafe, something public. Somewhere public where you can show people what you do is best. That's all we do. And obviously then you upload it to a website, or you record it on Facebook as well. That's all for me. Thank you.